shooting stars and cosmic visitors, exploring meteors and comets. Did you know there are cool things that zip through space? They're called meteors and comets. Let's check out these awesome objects that come from really far away. First, meteors are like shooting stars that zip across the night sky. They're small bits of rock and metal that burn up when they enter Earth's air. When you see a meteor, it's because it's getting hot and glowing as it flies through the sky. Sometimes meteors don't burn up completely, and they land on Earth. We call these ones meteorites. They can be tiny or huge, and they teach scientists a lot about space. Now, let's talk about comets. Comets are like icy snowballs from way out in our solar system. They have long tails made of dust and gas that light up when they come close to the sun. Comets go around the sun in long, oval paths and can take many years to finish one trip. When a comet gets near the sun, the heat makes some of its icy stuff turn into gas, making a bright tail behind it. Comets are some of the most amazing things you can see in the night sky. Both meteors and comets remind us of how big and awesome our universe is. They fly through space, sometimes visiting us here on Earth, and make us feel amazed and curious. So, next time you look up at the stars, watch for shooting stars and shiny comets. You might get to see these space visitors.